in ceasefire understanding. Now, schools in Jammu city, however, remain shut today as a precautionary measure in security concerns. However, in a sign of gradual normalcy, schools have reopened in neighboring Riyasi as authorities continue to monitor the situation all along the border. Now, Techi, who's been reporting from Jammu, was getting us the picture how in Jammu city mainland several of those houses were also damaged. So the city right now is taking precautionary measures because we are dealing with the rogue state here, Techi. Schools have been shut there, but in Riyasi we're looking at schools and all colleges that have now been reopened.
Well, absolutely, as you rightly mentioned, Amita, there is an uneasy calm in Jammu as well after the drones were spotted. But important to notice that yes, life is coming back to normalcy, but schools remains to be closed in Jammu city. But if we talk about Riyasi, and we are also getting the visuals of Riyasi where the schools remains to be open. In Doda, the schools are open. Kishtwar, Ramban districts of Jammu division, these are all the areas where the educational institutes are open. If we talk about where the educational institutes are closed, then in Jammu city, in Rajouri, in Poonch, in Kathua and Samba, these are the places where the educational institutions remains to be closed because yes, these were said to be the sensitive areas. A lot of shelling was witnessed over here in Jammu, in border areas of Jammu, in Poonch, in Rajouri. Number of innocent individuals lost their lives because of the cowardly attack of Pakistan. So as a precautionary measure, as the schools, the educational institutions remain to be closed today. And what we are
well, when it comes to the administration and the authorities, they're taking such precautionary measures, especially when it comes to in the light of what Pakistan has been up to in the last few days. However, advisories continue to be issued, especially when it comes to children who are going to school just ahead of their beginning of their summer vacations. Well, for the moment, Techi, thank you very much for joining in. Now, amid the swirling storm over operations